Alright, today I brought my Master Locksmith M&P 15T 556 by 45. We're going to try to shoot us some combination locks from 100 yards and see if we can crack them wide open. To try and get these locks open, we're going to be using 223 Telamo 55 grain hollow points first, and then on the other lock we'll be using 62 grain full metal jacket Telamo 223. We'll see how those go through and maybe have a little bit of fun. Here's what's left of the first one. That was the hollow point. As you can see, it just went right through the dial. I grazed it once, but did it open? I think it opened. That was the hollow point. So now we're going to give a full metal jacket a try. Well, I would say the full metal jacket took care of it. I grazed it a few times, just hit it a couple times until it just popped. So they're equally effective. Goes right through it. And the M&P 15T 556 by 45 is a good locksmith. Don't get me wrong, I like to shoot targets at longer distances, but sometimes you just gotta let this thing loose. You gotta let it out of the cage. Love it. I'd say it's a little bit warm. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see.